Hi, Pat McCarthy from Yarmouth Store. I'm here with two members of the Briarbrook Morgan's Grant Community Association, Dave and Phil, and they're here to tell you about how they've filled a need in their community.
Again, I'm a member of the Morgan's Grant community. Over the past 15 years, we've had a snowblower that has served us well, but over 15 years of throwing pucks and sticks, it's pretty much had its lifespan complete. So we decided that we were going to raise some money within our community, and we did that starting last Thursday. And over about 4 days, the community has come forward with pretty much all the money for the snowblower. Yarmouth Tech was able to also contribute to this for our community association, and we thank them so much for their help and guidance in choosing the correct snowblower. Thank you very much, guys.